Hey guys, it's Mel, and a big welcome to our five beautiful little foster kittens. They were born in the wee hours of August 13th, which was very early on a Saturday morning while we were asleep. I chose not to do a lot of bugging them when they were at this age, just because I wanted to make sure Leela had the privacy she needed to take care of her babies. She has been an absolutely fantastic mom. We took care of Leela and she took care of these five gorgeous little kittens. We have two tabbies, two gray and white tabbies, and a pretty little calico. So I'll be showing more videos of them while they were newborns, but then also once they open their eyes and they started hearing and start playing. Stay tuned, and thanks so much for watching. Squeakers. Squeakers. Yeah. So this is the biggest one right here, and then her, and then him, and then this one is the runt.